What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, different cryptocurrencies are always trying to solve a problem. And this problem, right, could be something very simple, right? It could be the fact that we have a game here and we want to be able to earn cryptocurrency or utilizing a cryptocurrency in a larger way. Or it could be the fact that you have a certain forum that you want to implement within the cryptocurrency space. But there's a lot of different problems that can be fixed that um, we've seen, right? Even just something as simple as going to Twitter and seeing the charts and all of that on certain Twitter accounts that link to those Twitter accounts, which is really cool to see. But bble is something that I feel as though is necessary in today's space, in today's world, which basically includes, cryptocurrency and also kind of partners it up with, messaging, right? Messaging within your wallets rather than messaging outside of things, right? Messaging on Twitter and messaging on Discord. You now have the connection and chats and communication and memes and all of these things through your wallet in the wallet app that they have. So it's definitely something that's very, very interesting and also already has a larger following to it. And I want to talk about this. I want to talk about the price. I want to talk about a price prediction. And I want to talk about how this could be implemented and also how this could benefit your life as a normal cryptocurrency investor. It definitely can impact my life as a person that communicates with so many different people. This would make things a lot easier for just someone like me. And I'm sure it would make it very easy for someone like you. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about the links for bble down below. They will, you'll have all the links to the website, to the Twitter account, to the chart, to everything that you want to see that's there. So feel free to check out those links down below. And also take everything I say with a grain of salt, right? I say that in every video. I'm not a financial advisor. What I do is I open doors for people and then they see the opportunity and walk through those doors, right? It's just like somebody telling you, hey, there's $1 million on the street that's right there. You would have never seen that $1 million that's there unless someone said, hey, is that yours, right? You know what I mean? I'm not saying that you should take people's money, but what I'm saying is that, you have an opportunity in any situation. The only way you have that opportunity is if someone, puts it in front of your face. Anyways, let's get into talking about this play overall and exactly what it is. Because if we look at the website, you see the chat solution for Web3 people. The most fun you'll have on a wallet to wallet messaging app. Now, you can go and launch the app. It's very simple to understand exactly what this is as you go through the website. It's really just a wallet to wallet messaging app. But the features that you do have with this, right, it kind of takes away the thought of going to Twitter or going to Discord and logging into all of these things. You can now chat immediately through your wallet with simple features, but necessary features, right? Like log in using your wallet. You could see text messages, image messages, videos, links, different files. You can send emojis, NFT stickers, normal stickers, import stickers from Telegram. You can do encrypted DMs, encrypted group chats, public group chats, channels, topics, hashtags, chat rooms, and react, reply, and do all of the different features that you would do with a messaging app, which is fantastic to be able to do that while all communicating through your wallet, right? And communicating to different wallets that's there. So honestly, this is something that does give you that ability to chat with other people, but also it gives you the ability to earn, right? You can earn a little bit while you are chatting, and basically you would have daily tasks. Now these daily tasks, you would have something like send 10 messages, send a message to hashtag general, right? So something that would be more of a group. Invite your friends to bble, and you would collect what is known as cat points, right? So cats, and you would have 65 cats that are collected out of 100 cats that are collected, depending on what you end up doing, how many daily tasks you end up doing. You would have daily tasks, weekly tasks, bonuses, right? Bonus rewards, and then chat room earnings. Collect points while chatting invite your friends to chat on Beeble, and collect cute cats every time you hang out. Now, these cute cats also put you in a group to where you can essentially get airdrops, right? So you can earn from chat room contributions. You can earn from super react donations on your chats. Earn from completing daily and weekly tasks. Earn from bonus rewards, successful referrals, send chats, created group chats, and etc. And the list goes on of exactly what you can have there. Now, again, you can also get you can get airdrops, right? You can get coins that are airdropped to you as you have your wallet linked up to this, because your wallet is the reason why you are chatting. You're chatting wallet to wallet, so it could benefit you in a long way. Now, Beeble's discovery feature streamlines community and connection searching for token NFT holders by analyzing your wallet. It automatically includes you in relevant rooms. You can also explore Discover tab for additional web connections, including recommended chat rooms, users, transaction counterparts, making a network very easy for everybody. Now, as we go in here, right, you could say, hey, I want to launch the app. Right now, it's only invite only right now. I don't have an invite here, but you do have invite only, and you're going through this beta process that is, right now, but it could be something that really does benefit you as just a form of communication, throughout here. Now, different updates that we have listed here that I guess are good to note. A partnership with Morals Web3. You also have a snapshot for airdrop has been taken, so you'll be able to see what that airdrop automatically, or the amount that's going to be airdropped, is announced. As in investors, you have different pieces here where different investors are coming on as supporters, so that's a big deal as well. And honestly, just looking at this and understanding what it is, it really could be pretty big. Like, you even look at the traction that it has now, the interest that it has now. You have 160,000 followers as of right now with the business account, and you could see the interest and popularity that is on Twitter as of the current date, as of the time of recording. And then if you go and look at the position where it currently stands, it's currently at 17 cents. It's been growing ever since I started recording this video, from a level of 15 cents all the way up to 18 cents, up 21% on the day, seeing it at a $20 million market cap. Absolutely fantastic, with $5.9 million worth of volume. So again, this ain't no scrub here when it comes to the crypto market, right? You see 29% volume market cap ratio. And if you go to the different markets that it has available on, right, it has different exchanges to where you're going to have that purchasable amount, right? So you have HTX, you have KuCoin, a tier 1 exchange. You have borderline tier 1 exchanges depending on how much volume you have there. Gate.io and MEXC. You have many different places, 14 other places to where you can purchase, this position and hold this position. If you wanted to get it on Uniswap, you can as well. But honestly, this does show a lot of life in exactly what this could be, not only use case perspective, but also from a game perspective. You're seeing it here, and you could be like, this could be a 10x up to a $200 million market cap. And if you believe that this will take over kind of the Web3 space and kind of be the next Web3 Telegram, then this could be a $2 billion market cap or $20 billion market cap. And the unknown is what makes it insanely interesting. So I want you guys to take everything I said here, listen to what I said here, and also go into research it a little bit for yourself. I did go over a majority of exactly what it does offer. But if you want to break it down a little bit more, ask them some questions. I'm sure they'll be open to answering what those questions actually are. But again, a $20 million market cap, $6 million worth of volume. It's still early stages within this, and I can't wait to utilize it, right? I also have linked my wallet. So whenever that does become available, does become public, I will be utilizing it to see, all the different features and how this does help out me, not only from an investment side, but also from a use case side. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about Beeple in the comment section below. Also, make sure you check out some of the links for Beeple down there. Check out their website, the Twitter account, the chart, all of that stuff. But I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.